Well, guys, so far it's almost the end of Little Settlers Day. They just finished the second battle a few hours ago. Look at that cannon. That's a pretty cool one, isn't it? And it looks like they moved the police car over there. And look at that. The Patriot concession's open. Looks like some of the food stands are getting ready to close up. Look, Cindy's lunch bucket is closed. The Pepsi stand is closed. Most of the concession stands are closed. Can you believe it? I went over here to get some fries earlier before the battle started, and I thought they were doing the second battle over there in the field where they did the second battle yesterday. I spilled ketchup all over my shirt by accident, but don't worry about it, because when I get home I'm taking another shower, because I've been in the heat all day. My grandma is heading up to Ferguson to pick up some files and stuff from my old house. I'm heading to the bathroom, so not much going on. Everybody's getting packed up, ready to leave. So, not much. Take care, guys.